How to turn on auto capitalize after a punctuation. So for example, you're typing a sentence or a question, and after you put in that question mark or a sentence and you space, the next letter will be automatically capitalized. This is the Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard. Let's get started. So let's just say you're typing right now and your keyboard pops up here. For Microsoft Swiftkey, you'll tap on these three dots right here. Then you want to go to settings right here. Once in the settings section, you'll see typing. And as you're here now, you will see the auto capitalize, which is this option here. And then just go ahead and turn that on. So now let's just say you are actually typing, okay? Let's just say I'm typing here. And what you're gonna notice is when I put in that punctuation mark. So for example, I'll just say, thank you for watching, right? And if I put in that period right down here, you'll notice how these keys will become capitalized. You see how they all turn capitalized? So basically, after I put in my punctuation mark in the sentence, the keys will become capitalized automatically on its own without me having to press this here. So if this guide helped you, like and sub.